Hi, welcome to a video where we're going to be looking at one of the Metrix products. They do all these different lines of products. Some are good, some are real good, and some are kind of shitty. Yeah, so anyways, they have a protein lineup. We're going to be looking at one of them. They actually have, as far as I understand, two protein lineups because their biggest protein lineup is shake style, where they have like more flavors and more protein to it. But they have the kind that are kind of, I guess, more pop-ish, energy-ish instead of shake style, but they're a protein drink. As far as I understand, they have three flavors. I don't think I've done the orange before, but I think I've done fruit punch before. And this one here is their blue raspberry one. So we're going to be looking at Metrix ISO 42 whey isolate, 42 grams of protein, 0 sugar, less than a percentage of carbs. It's a natural flavored blue raspberry drink here. It's a big 20-ounce bottle. Some Metric products are a little bit expensive, and some are dirt cheap and really good stuff. Like they got like protein shakes, these kind of protein drinks. They've got these like 20-ounce bottles, and they're like these different like I gas flavored water, but they don't taste like it, and they're caffeinated with different like teas like green tea and yerba mate, and some also have like the black tea and red tea, and some of them will have like just like a little trace of the majority of their ingredients, so you barely get any sweetener, barely get any like chemical stuff. Then some of their products they give you more levels of that stuff, and when you buy those drinks, they're like under $2. But then if you get the version with like some nitrous oxide blend thing and all this other crap in it. They're awful, but then they're like 2, 3 something. Forget what this one was, but let's give it a try after we read some stuff on the back, folks. You get 190 calories. You'll have 3%, 10 milligrams of cholesterol. Carbohydrates are 3 grams. Protein is 84%, which is 42 grams. Sodium is 3%, 60 milligrams. Potassium 2%, 65 milligrams. Water, and then all the protein stuff, natural flavors. Potassium sulfate for preservatives, sodium benzoate as a preservative, sucrose, acetyl plain potassium, the FDC blue number 1. When it's a protein shake like this, they start off all kind of like sour and weird, but they get better like the more you drink them. It says it's natural flavor for blueberry raspberry. Okay. Boy, I really get the point. Cheers. A little bit like a gummy smell, just a little bit. Lots of blueberry raspberry smell, and then a little bit of this sweet smell, just a little. So that's coming off the sweeteners. No, taste it. Just see, that's the thing, folks. I'm more likely to be drinking a lot of this off camera, and there'll probably be a point where I might go, "Whoa, amazing!" But at the moment, strange because like this natural blueberry raspberry taste, and potentially whatever amount of two sweeteners that are in here, it's giving it like a weird kind of sweet sourness. And then to go along with a dead on blueberry raspberry taste that is, you'll like, it's one that is easy that you've had before. You also get this big like creaminess with it, like in like a milky creamy way, you know, like when those like take a gummy candy that's kind of creamy, you know, that's with the protein stuff. So it's a natural flavored under blueberry raspberry, and it's one that's definitely been tasted before from other blueberry raspberry beverage. Somewhat nice blueberry raspberry taste. Not boring fantastic. It's got a little weirdness to it. And the sweeteners, how they kind of sweeten the little sourness of it, it's kind of a little weird. Lips feel a little weird at the moment. And then there's a lot of the gumminess from all the like stuff to do for the protein and all that. That's at 42 grams. And it contains milk ingredients, so lean mass and strength. Alright tasting, tad little gross and kind of like a strange weirdness of the blueberry raspberry metrics. ISO 42, not the best metrics product I've had before. Definitely not the worst. I've had a lot of your products in the past. I like to repeat some of the shakes sometimes, like the peanut butter cup and mocha. It's caffeinated and good. Have yourself a good one. Your taste. Yeah.